Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your device ban from Snapchat. If you're having trouble with your Snapchat banning you from your device, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it, starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Next, try logging in into Snapchat again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, go ahead and long press on the icon of Snapchat, and now on the top right of the little box you will see the eye looking type of icon, so click on it. Now scroll down and click on the option of storage. Now in the bottom right of your corner you will see the option of clear cache, so hit the option of clear cache. This clears out all the old data that might be causing the issue. Next, if you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of those previous methods helped, go ahead and delete the app Snapchat from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. Now, in many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn problems like your Snapchat banning your device. I hope this video helped you get back into your Snapchat account. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.